Welcome back, Class 6. It's great to have you back again. I hope you are energized and recharged after a week's gap and now certainly ready for taking the new lessons. Well, we will be doing chapter 3 from geography today. And as we all have learned about something about our earth, about its imaginary lines that moves from the east to west, north to south, and we have now a little clearer vision about our earth. Now we will learn something more about it. Okay, today we are going to learn about the motions of the earth. So we should not forget that though it is the only planet which has the the traces of life on it, but it is also a planet. So like other planets, its main property is to move around the sun and also to move around itself. So these are the two motions that we will talk about today in this particular lesson. So let's get started. So we have first the motion called rotation. What is it? Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. By now you are quite well aware of what is an axis. What is an axis? It is an imaginary line around which the earth rotates, and it rotates from west to east. So one rotation around its axis in 24 hours or in a day is called rotation. Okay, now second is revolution. What is it? The movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution. So at the same time, when it moves around the axis, in that way the earth revolutes around the sun, and due to its huge perimeter, the earth takes around 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution around the earth, around its and onto its, following a fixed path which is called orbit. Okay, so the orbit is actually an egg-shaped well-defined path around which all the planets revolutes around the sun. So it is the fixed path around which the planets move. So we got the two names. One is rotation, that is the movement of the earth around itself, okay, around its own tilted axis.